Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Nissan QASHQAI here. So I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic mirror folding in and out when you lock the car. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and then look at the screen on the dash in front of us. So from here, we're going to scroll right till you get to settings, then press OK. Then scroll down, go to vehicle settings, then OK. Then go down to mirrors, and then where it says auto fold off, you can click on that if you don't want them to do it, or unfold at ignition. So once you turn the ignition on, the mirrors will fold out, or you can set it to unfold at unlock. So when you unlock the car with the fob, it will do it itself. So this one will have when the ignition is on.